Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my first shop with me at Target. So excuse me if this is kind of all over the place, but I was really excited when I found all these new items, especially this section right here that caught my eye. These signs right here were perfect for what I was looking for to make over my laundry room. So I picked one of those up and they're usually only $3. They have some dish towels, they have some cleaning tools. They have this dustpan that was really heavy duty and I was surprised. I think it was only $5. They have these cute pink and yellow rubber gloves that are only $3 each, and they have these lemon trinkets that you can use as decor in your kitchen, and they are only $1 each. What I found was really interesting was the silicone scrub that I think you can use to wash your dishes, and I picked one of these bottles up for my bathroom. And then I looked into the section, like summer section, and they had huge tote bags. They had makeup bags. They had beach towels. They also had like pool bags, which I thought was really cool. And then I found these hats right here that are really trendy during the summer, and they were $5, and they have different sayings on them. And then they also have baseball caps that have different sayings on them, like do not disturb. And they were also $5. And I found these play kits right here that I've never seen before. There was a tool set play kit, a chef play kit, a gardener play kit, and I think a doctor one, and they were all $3. So this entire section is filled with kids gardening tools, gloves, watering cans. They have seeds, and there's a lot of activities that you can do with your kids during the spring with all these items. This was one of my favorite sections in the whole dollar spot right here. They have these cute little glass jars that you can use in your bathroom, and they're pretty decent quality. They're pretty thick. They also have these clear glass jars that you can use in the kitchen, in the bathroom, wherever you like, and they were only $3 as well. They have these mirrors with different quotes on them, like live your truth, live in the moment, really inspiring quotes, and they were $3 as well. They also had these relaxing kits with little loofahs and pumice stones and stuff like that. They have these reusable water bottles and these glass mugs that you can put your loose leaf tea in. And this whole entire section kind of went with like the same color scheme, as you can see. They have these cute socks. They're only $3, and I think it was like 3 per pack. Thought that was a great deal. And then when I saw this, I pretty much died because I'm all about gratitude. I'm all about like changing your mindset to be positive and be happy and stuff like that. And they have this one right here that is, I think during the day, I didn't really read it that much into it, but this one right here is the one that I ended up getting because it's a nighttime like gratitude thing that you read at the end of the night, and they were only $5, so I thought that was pretty cool. Then I saw these pretty big tote bags, which I was really impressed. This one is my favorite. And they were all $5 as well. And then in the same section, I found these huge baskets that everyone is raving about online, and these are $5. They also have smaller ones that are $3. After that, I walked over to the stationery section, and I was really surprised with all their really cute and cool things that they had. They have a lot of desk organization stuff, and they have these file folders that I believe are $5. And again, they go along with the same color scheme that they have going on for spring, which is really cute. And they have these cool like cork boards, and I believe some of them are like chalkboards, and then I think even they might even have like dry erase boards, and they are $5 as well. They have these cute like pencil pouches, they're $3, and they have smaller file folders that are $3 as well. They also have summer like pool goggles for $5. I don't really know how much they normally are at other stores, so I can't compare them. These kid socks, I was really surprised they were $3, and I think there was like a pack of 5 of them inside. Now, if you're on a hunt for smaller letter boards, I would definitely come to the Target dollar spot for them. The letters are only $3, and then the actual letter boards are only $3 as well, and they come in different colors, so I feel like they would match any decor. In the same stationery section, they have a lot of gel pens, pens, and lead pencils that are only $3. And again, they go along with the same color scheme as everything else. And then they also have the matching note cards, and those are always $1. And they're really great to just pick up just whenever. You never know when you might need them. And then they also have these charging ports next to them that I found, and they are only $5. These are great for the summer when you go to the beach or take long trips, and they're just really cheap and great to have. I found this huge tray for only $5, and it gave me that cute farmhouse rustic feel. You can do so many things with that tray. Then next to that, I found these metal bins. They were $3 actually, and you can use that to store art supplies, to store toys. You can use that for a lot of stuff. Moving on to the gardening section, I can tell that Target is stepping up their game when it comes to the dollar spot, because everything here in the section is so trendy. This right here is a mister, by the way. It took me a while to figure that out, but they have a lot of pebbles and a lot of fillers to put in your planters and your pots. This right here, I had to get my hands on once I saw them, because they're only $5. I was looking at the exact same thing, and online they're definitely way more expensive. They have these cute little hanging pots that you can use outdoor or indoor, in my opinion. They have the herb boxes that everyone is dying over. They also have a huge selection of fake succulents that are only $1 each, and these succulents are huge. Now, moving on to my favorite spot is the decor section at the Target dollar spot. These pillows are so cute, and you can use them anywhere around your house, and they are only $5. This boho style woven basket is only $5. They also have a lot of table runners that go along with the same theme, the tribal theme that they have going on for spring. They have a lot of rustic farmhouse style signs that you can put all around your house, and all the signs are always going to be $3, which I really appreciate. They have these planters that are smaller, and they're $3, and the bigger planters are the exact same thing, and they are $5. Those candles down there are $3, and those signs, one of them said family, one of them says home. I believe the other one says welcome and bloom, and they are $3. They also have these cute little trinkets that are only $1 that you can put for your jewelry or your earrings. These geometric mirrors are only $3, and they come in different shapes and colors as well. Hey guys, so I just got back from shopping at Target, and I wanted to show you my haul and the items that I got. And I'm really happy and excited with the things that I got, because I think this is the most successful shopping trip that I've had so far. And I quickly want to give a shout out to my friend Jasmine, because she let me know when they were stocking everything up the day of. She works there, so she let me know when they took out all the Valentine's Day stuff and they put in all the spring and new decor, house decor things that I've been seeing online. So thank you, Jasmine. So the first thing that I got were these mugs, which I was so excited that I found. I got two sets, so I got four. It comes in a pack of two, and they were $3 each. And I know that Target has been selling these for a while now, but the Target that I go to, I know everything runs out. So I was actually surprised that I got those two. I saw two sets and I bought them both just because they're so cute. And I actually have my coffee in one right now, and I feel like they look a lot more expensive than they actually are. The next thing that I got was this basket here. It was only $5, and I plan on putting like a snake plant or something in here. And I feel like for $5, you can't beat that. Usually these are more expensive at Home Goods or at TJ Maxx or Amazon. Anywhere you look for, they are definitely not $5. So I was really excited when I saw this. So when I saw this at the store, I got really excited because, so pretty much it's like a little shelf or a little planter, but you put it on the wall. And this one has a crack in it. I didn't notice I had a crack. So hopefully when I go back to Target, there's another one there. But if there isn't, it's no big deal. The crack is on the back side. I believe this was only $5 as well, and I'll post a picture of what this is supposed to look like. I looked on Amazon, and for a 3-pack, there were $30 and I was gonna spend the $30 until I saw this. And I think that's insane. This is only $5 and it's pretty big too. I think I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. And then I got this huge glass storage container jar for $5. And I kind of wish I would have picked up some more. I kind of want to go back to pick up some more and put maybe like some things inside for my kitchen decor, like pasta or something like that. But for $5, I think that's insane. And I think it's such a great deal. You definitely see these at other home decor stores for a lot more than $5. And then I got this, which I know you guys have been seeing everywhere online, or at least I have. And I want to put this in my bathroom as well. I got this sign right here that says it's a good day to have a good day. And I thought it was so cute. And this was only $3. Most of their signs are only $3. And I got the sign right here that says the Laundry Co. and it was $3 as well. Again, all their signs are $3. And I kind of want to redecorate my laundry room and kind of like make it over. So watch out for that in the future. I also purchased this gratitude book that you read at the end of the night, which is really perfect for me because I'm all about showing gratitude. And if you've seen in my 5 a.m. morning routine, you know that I do that every morning. So I think it was an awesome thing that I found. It was only $5 and it's pretty cool. It's kind of like you search for the date and it has something to reflect on the day to show gratitude and stuff like that. And you guys know I'm all about that. And the last thing I got, I think it's the last thing I got. Yeah, it's the this reusable water bottle, and I think it's so cute. I love the color. I love the lid. I love how it's glass. And I've been looking for a reusable water bottle, and I was going to spend like $15 on Amazon. Everything that I was looking for on Amazon, and I put it in my cart. I'm so happy that I found it here at the dollar spot because I saved a lot of money. I think I'm going to pick up a few more just to have and to give them away as gifts later on for my friends or for Christmas and stuff like that, just because they're so cheap and they definitely don't feel, or the quality for these water bottles and stuff like that are not cheap. So all in all, I think this was a pretty successful shopping trip. I definitely want to do more shop with me's in the future. So if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll leave other playlists down below of my other hauls and my clean with me's. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.